Finally, it came.
This video is brought to you by Michael's Automotive Service. We guarantee you a smile each time you come by.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's vlog. I'm Bean, and today we're doing some unboxing. I always wanted this set of coilovers for a long time. Never got a chance to until now. I've installed this in the past. I've driven cars with coilovers, but not my personal. I wanted coilovers on my 2000 Celica, but they were way out of my price range back then, because that's when the aftermarket started blooming. So I just got lowering springs and Toy Eco shocks on it. So, and ever since then, I never had a problem with it. But anyways, carry on. We're going to unbox this BC Racing coilover set. I heard from other people they use this in the past. This is the most affordable suspension. So I would like to thank BC Coilovers or BC Racing sending me one of this coilovers for the Honda Fit Jazz. So further ado, we'll go and do some unboxing. Got my trusty knife here. Woo! I'm excited. Damn. Box on box. So the first thing we got is instructions and some stickers. So for every aftermarket, you get some stickers. It's awesome. I like it. I should collect that even more again. There we go. Whew. All these bubble wrap. Here's the rear spring. Shock absorber. And whew, here we go. Ooh, I like it. And we got the adjustable wrenches here for the coilovers. And number 3, just throw it away. All right. So I got it all ready for you. Look at this coilover suspension. Fully adjustable. As you can see right here, this is the adjustment. So with the wrench that it comes with, turn it, you can adjust the ride height. And on top, you set up a dial to make the shock a little bit stiffer or softer. These are completely customizable. You can even change the springs on it This is a spring rate of 8, 8 and 8, 8 in the front, 8 in the back. That's how I chose it to be. I kind of wanted it like a little bit stiff, but if you put this on your car, you'll get a lot of stiffness, but you do gain a lot of control of your vehicle. With the size of a Honda Fit, the handling will get way better. So that's pretty much it. The only reason I'm changing my shocks and shocks on my Honda Fit on the back, it was starting to leak, so the suspension wasn't working on it on the back. So yeah, I can't wait till I put this on and feel the difference and do a complete settings on it. Here, I want to show you what the springs in the back look like. Man, this is weighty. We got where I'm getting interrupted by a guest right behind me. Hold on. All right. So here's the rear springs, completely adjustable. You can change it from stock factory all the way to, well, 3 or more inches down than the regular stock. But this is a stiff spring, so you won't get the comfort of the balancing of a vehicle. Why is the springs not into the shocks? Because it's independent suspension. So it's well balanced for certain vehicles. Certain vehicles, they're all in one. It's basically a plug and play, which means all you have to do is remove the other shocks and bolt on these ones on the vehicle. And these are the wrenches, as you can see, to do the adjustment. One top and one bottom. Basically, you can adjust the ride height up and down. Also, it comes with a damper adapter on the top, so you can dial into even softer or harder shocks absorber on it. So it's good for the track or good for the ride. It depends who's driving. Normally I put it on medium. But yeah. All this will be on the instruction if you guys want to read it. Coilovers, and it comes with a great customer service for warranty production. Yeah, I can't wait till I put this on. So that's pretty much for the unboxing video. I'll show you guys once again what it looks like before I slap it in. And when I'm doing the installation video, I'll compare the old one to these ones. But until now, stay flat. See you in the next video. And another note too, I finally reached 200 subscribers on the YouTube channel. I would like to thank everyone who subscribed, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel and join me, and then join me, and we'll enjoy the adventures together. And there's a lot of things I have planned in the future. I'm just running around doing a lot of things and working alongside with Mike on this epic journey. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and share and turn on the notification down below. And yeah, until I'll see you next video. Peace.